and real characters. Hello, I'm Rajeshwari, a filmmaker. We are today in a unique situation because of the COVID-19 virus, where while being restricted 24 hours a day within four walls, we are being forced to relook at our behavior, our relationships, and our tenacity to see us through testing circumstances. What is really being put to test here is our character, because it is our character which determines what will be our response to people and to situations. One of the very popular and enjoyable ways to understand and observe human character is to see it being played out on screen, in movies and on television. Movies and television are, as everyone knows, a great reflection of human life and also a powerful influence on people. In this chat show, Real and Real Characters, I'm going to talk with people to find out which screen characters and which real life characters impacted them deeply. Hopefully, this will give us an insight into what we all really value as human beings. At the end of the program, there will also be a question based on a screen character. Whoever viewer answers the question right will, on a first come, first served basis, be invited as a guest on this show. So, welcome to the show, Real and Real Characters.
Meenu Subbaiah is a diamonds graduate from GIA, the Gemological Institute of America, where they teach all about gemstones. She is South India's first woman diamond specialist and co-founder of MSD, Meenu Subbaiah Diamonds, with branches in Chennai, Coimbatore, Karaikudi, and the USA. She believes in the goodness of people and follows a simple logic. You will find what you seek.
Hi, Meenu. Welcome to Real and Real Characters. It's a chat show, and I'm very happy to have you here. So, உங்களுடைய ஃபேவரட் மூவி எது, அதுல இருக்கிற ஃபேவரட் கேரக்டர் என்ன, இத பத்தி நீங்க சொல்ல போறீங்க இப்போ. Over to you, Meenu.
Thanks for inviting me. It's wonderful to be so close in this time where we need physical and social distancing. It's wonderful to be part of this Zoom chat, Raji. எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்ச படம் அப்படின்னா ஐ மீன் நிறைய இருக்கு பட் வாட் ரியலி ஐ வேல்யூ அண்ட் இட் ஹேட் லாட் ஆஃப் வேல்யூ ஃபார் மீ அப்படின்னா ஐ வுட் திங்க் இட்ஸ் அ மூவி கால்ட் Paid Forward.
Paid Forward is an American drama film made in the year 2000 and directed by Mimi Leder. The film is based loosely on the novel of the same name by Catherine Ryan Hyde, and the screenplay was by Leslie Dixon. It had music by Thomas Newman and cinematography was by Oliver Stapleton. The movie is set in Las Vegas, and it chronicles 12-year-old Trevor McKinney's launch of a goodwill movement known as Paid Forward. It stars Haley Joel Osment as Trevor, Helen Hunt as his alcoholic single mother Arlene McKinney, and Kevin Spacey as his physically and emotionally scarred social studies teacher Eugene Simonet. The film was released on October 20, 2000 to mixed reviews, with most critics praising the acting, writing, music and cinematography, but criticizing the story and accusing it of excessive emotional manipulation.
The beginning of the movie is just beautiful. There's this journalist who is just going to cover some domestic attack, and this attacker suddenly comes out and just jams his car which was parked there. Some random guy from somewhere comes and gives him a brand new Jaguar car key, and he says, you know, your car is gone, now you can have my car. This journalist is like, are you mad? You just cannot give me a Jaguar which is brand new. And this man says, you know what, I mean, off late I've been doing very good in business, and I thought it's okay to give you a car. So this guy just couldn't believe. So அவன் போய் திரும்ப வந்து going back to this guy, he says, there's something I heard and I experienced called Paid Forward. It's a very beautiful story. It's about the goodness of all the people around us. The story is basically about a small boy who's a 7th grader and how he was influenced by his school teacher. This teacher, who's a social studies teacher, every year in the beginning of the year, he gives a project that you have to think of an idea that will help to change the world, and you have to act on it. So all the children say, oh, no, it's not going to work. It's very tough. Oh, it's weird idea and all that. This cute little boy, Trevor, just keeps thinking about it. He goes home. Appaila is just the mother. So with a lot of difficulty, he has a lot of negativity around him. He thinks about it, thinks about it. The next day, he has a stranger sitting in his room and he's feeding a stranger. He gives him a place to stay in his garage. So when the mother finds this out, she freaks out. She's like, what are you doing in my garage? And this guy says, I'm sorry, I'm homeless. And your son just called me and fed me and gave me a place to stay. I'm happy I got a job and I'm moving out. Mother just kind of freaks out and again goes to the son and says, how dare you even have a stranger inside the house? This boy says, Mom, you're not going to understand what I'm saying. You have to go to talk to Mr. Simonette about this. He will understand. So the mom goes crazy, angry, and she goes to the teacher and she's like, what damn kind of a teacher are you? And he just laughs and says, I just gave them project. I don't know what kind of a project your son is doing. பையன் வந்து the project that he has in mind is pay it forward. His whole idea is you help 3 people whom you are absolutely not connected with and they're really in need of your support. அப்படி நீங்க 3 பேரை சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுங்க, they will support 3 more, so it's going to really multiply. That was his idea. So இந்த மாதிரி 2-3 பேர் அவன் ஹெல்ப் பண்றான். இவன் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணவங்க, are they fine, are they really doing good, was his help of any help to them? இதெல்லாம் அவன் ட்ரேஸ் பண்றான். And then eventually what happens is these 3 people whom he helped are slowly doing the same thing to 3 more people and it is really growing. So this movie I felt was something very beautifully filmed with a beautiful message in it.
What is the aspect of this character that has that you identify as being very, very important?
The positivity in the child. The positivity in spite of all negativity around him. The ability to see the goodness of the others is something I really liked. He focused on his effort, not the result. If you actually focus on the effort, the result is automatic. Every single human has that goodness. It's just that we have to take time to understand and exhibit that.
நீங்க அதுல observe பண்ணின aspect, were you able to apply it in your real life?
When I was a kid, I got an opportunity to sing in ஏதோ ஒரு டிடி சேனல் என்ன வந்து அந்த டைட்டில் சாங்குக்கு பாட போட்டிருந்தாங்க. I was sure I'm not going to take that as my career. But I know a friend of mine who's a fantastic singer. So I thought, why not she sing this? Maybe this might become her career. So அவளை வந்து கூட்டிட்டு போய் I made her sing there. And I am really happy and so proud. Today she's a very popular singer. Her name is Jaya Rajagopalan, the Asha Bhonsle of South. Every one of us who are fortunate enough, we have to take it forward and reach it to more people.
So tell me, in your real life, have you met people who have any character that has inspired you, that has made you feel you want to be a better person?
நான் மாமா வீட்ல தான் ஸ்டே பண்ணி படிச்சேன் ராஜி. காலையில எழுந்ததுல இருந்து எல்லாமே ஹிட்லர் ரூல் தான். பட் எல்லாத்துலயும் he'll be concerned. ஒழுங்கா சாப்பிட்டேனா, everything I'm doing on time. எதையுமே அன்பா இல்ல, but everything he'll be concerned in his own dutiful way.
இன்னைக்கு இந்த மாதிரி கன்சர்ன் யாராவது காமிச்சானாக்க இன்டர்ஃபியரன்ஸ்னு சொல்லுவாங்களே.
இன்டர்ஃபியரன்ஸ்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அன்னைக்கு நானும் அதுதான் சொன்னேன். It was actually quite annoying at that point of time. But இன்னைக்கு when I'm sitting back and thinking, who's the person who affected me யோசிச்சா only he comes to my mind immediately. He will live very simple, do everything for the family and then அப்படியே தான தர்மம்னு second thought irukar. In his thought, in his physical support, in his financial support, in every way.
இன்னைக்கு இருக்கிற ஹியூமன் பீயிங்ஸ்க்கும் அந்த நீங்க சொல்ற அந்த மாமாவுடைய கேரக்டருக்கும் என்ன வித்தியாசம்?
இன்னைக்கு வந்து எப்படின்னா it is just me. எல்லாம் வந்து if I say something, the children just think about themselves. அன்னைக்கு வந்து we were open. It's just not about you, it's about the people around you. You start helping. ஒரு 3 பேருக்கு நீங்க ஹெல்ப் பண்ணி they are doing well அப்படின்னா the kick is very high that I don't think any of the Smirnoff or Kingfisher or anything can give.
Correct. parents are finding it, they are actually afraid to talk to their own children, to give them, why don't you do it this way? Why don't you do it that way? You listen to what I have to say. அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கே சொல்றதுக்கே பயப்படுறாங்க.
இப்போ நிச்சயமா the kids want to have reason. Why should I do this? அந்த கேள்விக்கு வந்து நமக்கு ஒரு ஜெனுவனான ஆன்சர் இருந்தது அப்படின்னா I think we can convince this generation. It's about first we need to follow, and then it's a lot easier to convince them. My mama, Mr. Aragappan, never told me you have to be like this. He never gives advice, you have to do this, you have to be good to others. No, he just lived that way, and I took so many lessons from him by just observing him.
Maybe I think adults should be the ones learning from that, not the youngsters, how to live. On that note, thank you for being in real characters.
Thank you.
The question for you in this episode is this: you make me want to be a better man. What was the movie in which this line is spoken? What was the character's name in the film who spoke these lines? Please send your answers to the WhatsApp or email address given here, and the person who sends the correct answers first will be invited as a guest on our show, Real and Real Characters.